So the first thing that I think pretty neat is the remote control trunk opener. Comes in handy all the time. It also closes the thing. Helps a lot grocery shopping and stuff like that. When you walk from far away, I can't talk. And then, alright, so the second thing is, let me see, is the automatic mirror folding function, right? Lock, unlock, pretty neat, I think. It also works if you do the keyless entryway, right? Pulling the handle up. There you go. You got the point. All right, let's review a couple of interior things next. All right, so let's do the instrument clusters, if I can focus on it. All right, so see how it's showing the guidance? Yep, so instead of just your normal MPH, it's showing some other features like navigation, some other warnings, and my favorite one is the music selection, which I use it all the time. It's pretty handy. You don't need to keep your eyes off the road. I like it. And let's go back in here. Let's see. So the engine start stop function that was completely pissing me off. Every time I had to hit the button, every time I get in the damn car. But now it is off by default and it stays off. Yeah, buddy. Love this one, boys. The welcome screen, the M welcome screen. We can choose a couple different ones. I'll show you in the coding section. Here, my favorite one was the support displays, obviously. You see. Oh, nice. So you can choose these indicators, errors, whatever, to be orange or red. And I like it red, so I just kept it red. Let's see. Another thing was also in vehicle info, vehicle status, is the temperature of your tires. So instead of just showing PSI, it's showing the temperature. And another thing, the last thing in here, I believe, is when you adjust the volume. The volume bar. Yeah, it's not showing by default, but it is now with the Bimmer code. Alright, without further ado, let's get to the coding. Well, to get things started with the coding, you're gonna need some kind of Android device, which is, I have a tablet in this case, and one of these OBD2 either wireless adapters or a cable, but I'm using MHD tuning adapter here. It's pretty slick, pretty fast. Highly recommend picking up one of these. Alright, let's get to the actual coding. So once you have your wireless adapter plugged in, you're gonna go to your Wi-Fi settings and you're gonna find the MHD network and you're gonna connect to it. They have a default password right at the back side of the adapter. It is connected now. Then next thing, you're gonna go to the Google Play and download the Bimmer Code app, which I'm gonna skip that part because I don't want to make this video too long. Once you get the app and you purchase it, $39.99, not bad. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna hit connect. it will automatically connect to the adapter. Alright, and by the way, this is not only for F10, you can use Bimmer code for quite a lot of series, BMW series. So we're gonna select F10 M535i, connecting, verifying ECU data. Alright, we're in. So as you can see, it's giving you a whole lot of options here to work with, but I'm gonna show you only the ones that I did, and if you like any other ones, you can play around with it. This thing takes backup of your ECU, so don't worry about ruining anything. Alright, so let's do the trunk opener coding. You're gonna go to advanced, crash. Oops, sorry, my fault. You're gonna go to car access system, and you're gonna go and find convening closing with remote control, and you're gonna hit active on it, which mine already shows active. Alright, then you're gonna find this one, convening closing with comfort access, hit active. Alright, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the opening, convening opening, active, and convening opening with remote control also active. For me it's already all active, but I'm gonna do it for you guys anyhow, so you can see how it's done. And then in the same page you have the fold unfold mirrors automatically, which is, see how it's showing 1 out of 2. You can read it through when you're actually doing it, but make sure it's active here, and then we're gonna have to select that active and not a screen later. Okay, right? So that's it for that. Let's go check out this bad boy. Boom, mirrors 2 out of 2. Remember? So that would be in the footwell module. I lost it. It's kind of hard to film and show. Boom. So you're gonna have to hit this active, and then one below it, fold mirrors with convening closing. Boom, active. And then you can do mirror tilt and everything, but I'm not messing with that. I'm happy with what I have. There's a lot more features you can select, but that's it for me. Alright, go back. Let's go to head unit next. You don't have to code one at a time, that's why I'm doing it all at once, guys. You can select whatever options you want, and then we'll code it at the end. And so here's the next one for the start animation that I had, the M. You can choose from many different ones. Let's do, you know what, let's do Alpina. Yeah, buddy. But you can do whatever you want. You can even have Christmas here. No thank you. Alright, and then you're gonna do volume pop-up active. That will show the volume bar. And then you're gonna do the tire pressure control. Display, come on, focus. Display temperature and pressure. Yes, please. Select that one. Display full text messages. Yeah, I didn't mess with that one. Alright, next one you're gonna do, remember, it's all in the same head unit section. Support displays, active. You can do video in motion and other things. There's a ton of features you guys can do, but I don't want to dive in too deep because this video will never end. Sport displays, red. Yep, I like it red. HUD indicators. Make sure this is for the heads-up display. Make sure it's active. And that's it for here. Continue coding. Do not discard. All right. Alright, it won't let me go back, so I have to code this bad boy. So let's do it. Alright, make sure your AC is on. And the actual AC off.
Hello?
Whoa, chill there. Chill, what is going on? Anyway, so make sure your accessories are on and everything else is off, right? And then also make sure you pop your phone in the airplane mode so it doesn't interfere with anything. Boom. Let's get it. Code. Blah blah blah. Important notice. Don't you worry about guys, it will back everything up for you. Start coding. Alright, so your car is gonna spaz out a little bit. But don't worry about it. Don't worry about anything crazy happening to it. I've done it many times. Coding the, oh, look at that. Ooh, up, whoa, nice. It's kind of sick, but mine's on a peanut. Anyway, coding is complete. That's it, that easy. You guys can go back to it and look through other options, whatever you want. Oops. You can play with it. I think for 39 bucks. This is a pretty neat thing. You can disable the seatbelt warning. You can code the amount of washer fluid it sprays. You can do it a lot of things here, but this video is gonna be way too long. So, hey, hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out till the next one.